So hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 2444, that is count subarrays with fixed bounds, and in this we'll be given an integer array nums and two integers minimum k and max k, and a fixed bound subarray of nums is a subarray that defines the following conditions: that the minimum value in the subarray should be equal to minimum k and the maximum value in the subarray should be equal to maximum k. Okay, and we have to return the number of fixed bound subarrays, and a subarray is obviously everyone knows what's that. So for example, in this we are given that min k should be equal to 1 and maximum value of k should be equal to 5. So this is one possible subarray which is having this condition satisfied, and this is one array subarray that is having this condition satisfied. So 2 is the answer, because in every other subarray we are having either the maximum is not 5 or the minimum is not 1. Okay. So for this, we'll be again using a sliding window approach, and we'll be keeping the track of the minimum element and the maximum element. So let's have minimum equal to -1, and also maximum will be equal to -1. Okay, our left pointer, that is equal to 0. Basically, we are just storing the indexes. Okay, and my right pointer is also equal to 0. Okay, so now while my right is less than the length of the nums dot length. Okay, what I'll be doing is okay, and let's also have the answer variable, that is will be equal to initially 0. And now what we'll be doing is that I'll be checking that if my nums right uh, is greater than max k, sorry, is less than the minimum k. That means we are having another element which is in the subarray which is even less than the minimum value, or my nums right is greater than the maximum k. Okay, so this means that in the subarray we are having an element which is even greater than the maximum value. Okay, so what we'll be doing is we'll be replacing our pointers, because this if this is the condition, then there's no way possible we can form a subarray. So what we'll be doing is we'll be setting our minimum index to right and our maximum index also to the right, and now my left pointer will become my right pointer. Okay, so you can say we'll be starting a loop all again, and then we'll be doing that if my min will be equal to the if this is the condition, that if nums right that is equal to the minimum k, so this means we are having a valid answer. So otherwise we'll be having our so we'll be taking our right pointer, or we'll be just going with our min pointer. Okay, and similarly is the case with the max. Let's just do it, copy and paste, and control D, and here we'll just have to replace it with max. Okay, now what we'll be basically adding to our answer array will be equal to the minimum of my right and my minimum element index and the maximum element index minus my leftmost index, and at the end just do a right plus and return the count answer. Okay, yeah, now let's run it. Okay, so it states wrong answer, it's given -2. Okay, so that's uh pretty okay, where did I went? And second, let's see. Okay, no, minus left minimum of min is equal to the, if it's equal to nums right, then if it's equal to minimum k, then otherwise max. Yeah, it's, I guess I'll just figure out the issue. Okay, so initially I need to keep my left pointer also equal to -1. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, and now it get accepted. Now let's submit it. Yeah, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.